how you can get the best discount codes in Eneba. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, sign up for the Eneba newsletter and check your email. You will get special codes and flash deals this way. Now, follow Eneba on social media like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. They share limited-time codes there. Once you find a good code, copy it. Then, go to the Eneba website and add games or gift cards to your cart. Then, at checkout, paste the code in the "Got a Discount Code" box and click Apply. After that, you can also join the Enebian Club. You earn points when you buy or review things and use them later for more savings. And if you are a student, you might get 8% off by verifying with Student Beans. Now, check the IE Deals section on the site for bundle sales or seasonal discounts. You can stack those with your code. And sometimes older codes like Nicholas15 give up to 15% off. Now, enjoy great prices and build your game library while saving money. And that's it. That's how you can get the best discount codes in Eneba.